Hey there, my name is Emma. I am a health and fitness coach and I recently completed Liam's CapCut course. Being a bit of a technophobe myself, I was a wee bit apprehensive about doing the course, a bit worried about how much time it was going to take me, a bit worried about how quickly I would pick this up. But in actual fact, once I got started, I quickly realised this was going to be really useful in terms of allowing me to enhance my reels, allowing me to learn how to edit the reels and really kind of make them stand out as well. The tutorials are super quick and easy to follow. Liam is really concise in terms of how he explains things, and what I loved about this was the fact that you could go through the tutorial and actually practice implementing what he was teaching at the same time, which saved me time, helped me learn and allowed me to understand exactly what had to be done to make my videos stand out. After going through the course and after practicing a little bit, I put my first reel out there. So I created my first reel, edited it using CapCut. The first ever reel that I had edited using CapCut, put it out onto Instagram and got over 13,000 views, which I was absolutely delighted with. So if you're like me and you're new to editing videos, you want to enhance your reels, you're maybe not sure how to do that, then Liam's CapCut course is definitely a good move. Like I said, it's quick, it's easy, it's concise, it's super easy to follow along with what he is teaching you. With a bit of practice, you can get really great at video editing.